Testing, testing, testing. Hi there guys, my name is Rohan Beve, and in today's video we are going to be talking about what exactly is static electricity. Now, in today's video we are going to be talking about what exactly is static electricity, what does it do, and how does it work? So have you ever walked up to like a metal door, okay? Just not a metal door, but there's a door, okay? Maybe in your house or just someplace. And let's say the doorknob is metal or metallic, okay? So you go to open it, okay? You grab it, all of a sudden you get zapped, okay, by electricity. But how does that happen? Well, that's basically static electricity. But what is it? Well, you see, static electricity is the buildup of electric charges on the surface of an object. It could be anything, right? Such as this pen, a balloon, a metal doorknob, and even us, okay? This happens, okay, because you see the atoms, okay, atoms carry electrons, okay? And you see when when two objects are equal in both positive charge and negative charge, okay, as the electrons, when atoms carry it, they become negatively charged, okay? When an object is equal to, positively charged, and the other object is negatively charged, it basically creates a stable charge, okay? It basically makes everything stable. But if one were to be bigger than the other, okay, let's say there was more negative charge, the electrons would hop over to the other object, okay, making the object that was negatively charged into a positively charged, while the other object turns from positively charged to negatively charged, okay? But how does this happen? So how does static electricity actually happen? Well, you see, it's often caused by friction, okay? So what that basically means is, you see, when two objects rub against each other, that's a good time for electrons to move from one object to another, right? Some examples of this can include, let's say, dust sticking onto a TV, right? So that's more or less an example of that, okay? So when two objects rub against each other, okay, due to friction, the electrons, okay, move from the one object to another, okay? So that's why friction is often the causer for static electricity. So for an example, okay, let's say you have a balloon and you rub it against your head. Since you're rubbing it, okay, the electrons pass from your hair to the balloon, okay, making your hair, or us, positively charged while the balloon becomes negatively charged. And since the opposite charges attract each other, okay, this can cause the balloon to stick to walls or for our hair to stand up, okay? And another way, so that's more or less what, again, static electricity is, okay? But what about the shocking thing in our first example, okay? Well, this is because, you see, our body passively builds up electric charges, okay? So this electric charge, okay, naturally builds up in our body, okay? And let's say whenever we touched metal, okay, the built up electricity in our body quickly zaps to the metal, okay? So this quick zap is again, the zap, or the tiny bit of electricity you see whenever you touch something metal, okay? Some examples of static electricity can include, again, dust sticking onto TV, getting shocked by a metal doorknob, okay, a balloon sticking onto a wall, or your hair standing up, and even lightning is an example of static electricity, okay? And, well, that's basically what static electricity is, and, well, that's basically it. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.